What if the future is built with technology, but our children don't get to touch it? There's a 23.8% digital access gap, where the digital infrastructure in urban schools stand at 68.7% and rural schools at merely 44.9%. Meet Priyanka, student of class 6 from Gujarat. A few months ago, she had never even touched a computer, let alone use it to create something. And she is not alone. Millions of children share the same beginning. If they are left out of technology today, they will be left out of the opportunity tomorrow. We are changing that. Unlike most STEM programs, we've made tech learning accessible, gamified, experiential, empowering. Our STEM labs in schools are playful learning spaces, nurturing curiosity through hands-on learning. In just 2 weeks, Priyanka could develop games, make animations, and train simple AI models.
इससे पहले मुझे कोडिंग के बारे में कुछ पता नहीं था, पर कहानी सुनाना पसंद था। अब मैं एनिमेशन के सहारे लोगों को कहानी सुनाऊंगी।
And Priyanka is not the only one. We are transforming thousands of young minds.
ही जी अलर्ट सिस्टम आहे ती खरी परिचारिकेसाठी आम्ही तयार केलेली आहे.
We have developed a system which established a dynamic communication between the traffic signal and the emergency vehicle.
గైడ్స్ కూడా దొరకడం కష్టం కాబట్టి ఈ యాప్ లో మేము ముందుగానే గైడ్స్ ని చూస్ చేసుకొని ఉంచి ఉంటాము.
हमने एक हेल्पिंग केडी में बनाया है जो कि हमारी माँ बहन लड़कियों के लिए बनाया गया जो कि उसकी सेफ्टी का ध्यान रखती है.
બાળકોને સરસ મજાની એક સિસ્ટમ ઊભી થઈ છે કોડિંગ કરવાની અને એ કોડિંગની સ્ટોરી એટલી સરસ હોય છે કે બાળકો જે છે એ અત્યારના યુગ સાથે તાલથી તાલ મેળવી શકે.
Our children aren't just learning to use technology, they're learning to solve real-world problems. This movement is already transforming India's classrooms. The AI and tech-driven future isn't coming. It's already here. Let's empower every young mind to invent their own tomorrow. Together, let's build a Viksit Bharat, led by the innovation generation. Join us in our mission of shaping a future driven by AI.